குடியரசு தினத்தை முன்னிட்டு குடியரசுத் தலைவர் ராம்நாத் கோவிந்த் நாட்டு மக்களுக்கு உரையாற்றுகிறார். பார்க்கலாம்.
Like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose inspired our freedom struggle. They had diverse dreams of a magnificent future of the motherland, but common to their aspirations were these values: justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. I would like that we go further back into history and inquire why precisely these values guided our nation builders. And the answer is obvious. This land and its inhabitants have cherished these ideals from the time immemorial. Justice, liberty, equality and fraternity are perennial principles of our philosophy of life. They come to us from the dawn of this civilization through an unbroken chain. It is, of course, the task of every generation to seek out the meaning of these values for its times. As the freedom fighters did in their day, so should we in our time. These key principles should light our path to development. Dear fellow citizens, every Indian salutes our farmers who have made our vast and populous country self-reliant in food grains and dairy products. Despite adversities of nature, numerous other challenges and the COVID-19 pandemic, our farmers sustained the agricultural production. A grateful nation is fully committed to the welfare of our farmers. Just as our hard-working farmers ensure food security for the country, the brave soldiers of the armed forces ensure security of our national boundaries amid severest conditions. From the freezing cold at Siachen and Galwan Valley in Ladakh, with temperatures as low as -50 to 60 degrees Celsius, to the scorching heat in Jaisalmer with temperatures as high as 50 degrees Celsius on land, in the skies and at the vast coastal areas, our warriors are vigilant every moment. Every citizen feels proud about the bravery, patriotism and the spirit of sacrifice among our soldiers. By their contribution to food security, national security, protection against disease and disasters, and to different areas of development, our scientists have strengthened our national endeavors. From space to the farms, from educational institutions to hospitals, the community of scientists has enriched our life and work. Our scientists have been working day and night for decoding the coronavirus, and they have succeeded in developing the vaccine in record time. With this accomplishment, our scientists have added
72வது குடியரசு நாளை முன்னிட்டு நாட்டின் 14வது குடியரசுத் தலைவரான ராம்நாத் கோவிந்த் நாட்டு மக்களுக்கு உரையாற்றினார். கொரோனா தடுப்பூசியில் தற்சார்பு நிலையை எட்டியது உள்பட ஐநா பாதுகாப்பு அவையில் இந்தியாவின் நுழைவு என்று பல்வேறு அம்சங்களையும் அவர் தன் உரையில் சுட்டிக்காட்டிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார். இனி அடுத்த செய்திகளை தொடர்ந்து பார்க்கலாம்.